Okay. মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী শ্রীমতী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, উপস্থিত সকল সম্মানিত অতিথি এবং প্রিয় বন্ধুগণ, আপনাদের সবাইকে আমার নমস্কার। এই নিয়ে 4 বার আমি কলকাতা ফিল্ম ফেস্টিভ্যালে এলাম। গত বছর আমি কথা দিয়েছিলাম যে এই বছর বাংলায় কিছু বলবো। থ্যাংক ইউ জি, দিস ইজ ওয়ার্কিং। সেই কথা রাখতে পেরে আমি আনন্দিত। वो भी बोलूंगा मैं। ভাষায় যদি কোনো ভুল হয়ে থাকে আমাকে ক্ষমা করবেন। কলকাতা আমার প্রাণের শহর, তাই কলকাতা ফিল্ম ফেস্টিভ্যাল আমার প্রাণের উৎসব। আসুন আমরা সবাই মিলে এই সুন্দর উৎসবকে সফল করে তুলি। And a special request to Mr. Paul Cox from Australia, all the other dignitaries from all around the world. Do have a great festival, work hard, celebrate, but don't leave Kolkata. I mean, Roshogola, Pantua, Chom Chom, or Mishti Doi. Na khe Kolkata chhede jaben na. And thank you, Jeet, for this. Someone said that cinema allows people to dream the same dream in unison for a few hours. Indeed, it does. Few other mediums create the silent space of equality and collective focus in the fast-paced agitation of the world we inhabit today. Not only does the medium deliver its message to a compelled audience, but it also does so in a physical space where none of the audience's identities matter. It is open to all, addresses all, and includes all. Society is advancing in a manner that is doing both diminishing distances between people and increasing them. Social networking, for example, allows you to interact with others without ever really interacting with them. This is why cinema matters, because it brings people together in a single experience of life to which they relate collectively. To a nation like ours, a nation of diverse traditions, multiple cultures, and immense beauty, cinema can be so many things, and it has been. It can be the collective dream, the individual aspiration, the definition of identity, the loss of animosity, the sense of togetherness, and the messenger that carries a voice across our boundaries into the rest of the world. In a festival like this one, where people come from all over to share stories and they're telling, there ought to be a feeling of celebration and happiness, a sharing of India, of life and its experiences. I'm going back home tonight with you, yeah. So we should all take a moment to wish all the dignitaries and filmmakers from all over the world the next few days to be the greatest celebrations of your life here in Kolkata. And as we celebrate, I'm reminded of a great set of guidelines a free-thinking filmmaker activist had drawn at a festival some years ago. I forget his name, but I remember what he said, that the art of filmmaking is more food for the mind and the heart and the soul, rather than food for the body. Do not be afraid to try what is not convenient. Do not be afraid to destroy structures that resist change. Do not be afraid to destroy systems that kill art and your souls. Do not be afraid to destroy systems that kill our nations. Through cinema, do not be afraid to destroy systems that kill our world. Do not be afraid to be hungry. Do not be afraid to do this alone if necessary. Do not be afraid to fight alone if necessary. Do not be afraid to fight for the truth. In the end, what counts is that your free will, your own personal cinema, you free your own will in your personal cinema in order for your art to fulfill its most important role, to free people around the world. And to this direction, we have to remember, in this world, the only thing we have to call our own is an honest effort. Only that belongs to us, and only honest effort can produce art and films of any value. So this year, we dedicate the Kolkata International Film Festival to honest efforts of all involved. I want to thank Mamtadi for making this festival bigger, better, more vibrant, flamboyant, beautiful and fantastic every year. Thank you very much, and all of you have a great time here, and thank you, the city of Kolkata. I love you. Thank you.